Your squat looks strong, but it's slowly damaging your joints. Stand tall, place your feet shoulder-width apart, hold that position. Look down at your feet. Most people start already misaligned. Turn your toes slightly outward, about 15 degrees, not too much. Now press your feet into the ground. Feel even pressure everywhere. Distribute your weight evenly, heels, midfoot, and toes working together. Create a stable base. This reduces unnecessary stress on your knees. Now brace your core, like preparing to absorb force. Feel your spine stabilize, supported by your abdominal muscles. Lift your chest slightly. Keep your spine in a neutral position. Avoid arching your lower back. Stay controlled and balanced. Now begin. Push your hips backward slowly. Do not drop straight down. Move back first, like sitting. Feel your glutes activate, taking control of the movement. Now allow your knees to bend as your hips continue backward. Keep your knees tracking forward, aligned with your toes. Do not let them collapse inward. Maintain that outward pressure. Your hips are now guiding the movement, not your knees. Your glutes and hamstrings are absorbing the load safely. Lower yourself slowly. Maintain full control of your descent. Keep your spine neutral, no rounding or collapsing forward. Continue down until your thighs reach parallel to the ground. Go deeper if possible, only if your form stays intact. Pause at the bottom. Feel the tension throughout your body. Your muscles are fully engaged. Your joints are stable. Now begin the ascent. Drive through your heels firmly. Push the ground away. Engage your glutes powerfully. Extend your hips forward without leaning your chest down. Keep your chest steady. Avoid collapsing forward. Your core remains tight, protecting your spine throughout. Rise up with control. No bouncing or rushing the movement. Stand tall again, but avoid locking your knees aggressively. Reset your position. Prepare to repeat with the same control. Now, watch closely. This is where most people go wrong. They allow their knees to collapse inward under pressure. This creates dangerous stress directly on the knee joint. Others push their knees too far forward, losing hip engagement. This overloads the joints instead of using stronger muscles. Some round their lower back, losing spinal stability completely. Now fix everything using one simple controlled adjustment. Push your knees outward. Keep them aligned with your toes. Sit your hips back again. Control every inch of the descent. Engage your core lightly. Maintain a strong neutral spine. Drive through your heels. Activate your glutes at the top. Now your squat is balanced, efficient, and safe for your body. Train this movement consistently, and your strength will improve faster. This video is only for educational purpose. If you want more videos please like and subscribe to our channel.